What up, y'all? It's me, Sister Girl Tuesday, back at it again with another video. And in this week's video, we're doing something a little bit different. You know that I'm a pescatarian, so most of my recipes on this channel are vegan or vegetarian. But you know, maybe once a year, I'd say I do a recipe that actually features chicken. That's right. For all my chicken eating folks out there, I have a recipe that's just for y'all. So today I am going to show you my twist on a classic Caribbean recipe. I'm going to show you how I, Sister Girl Tuesday, make brown stew chicken in a crock pot. That's right, brown stew in a crock pot. So if you are interested in seeing how this pescatarian makes brown stew chicken in a crock pot, just keep watching. But before you go, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. First thing you want to do is go ahead and clean your chicken, and then you'll go ahead and season. So I've got some salt, got a little bit of some ginger, got some garlic, a little bit of black pepper, and we've got some thyme. You can use fresh thyme or dried thyme. And then we've got some smoked paprika. Real squeamish about meat, so I had to put on some gloves to go ahead and, you know, make sure all of the chicken thighs are coated. So I just put some saran wrap over it and stuck it in the refrigerator to marinate while I did some tidying up in my kitchen. So what I'm going to do now is, with a little bit of oil in my skillet, I'm just going to sear the chicken thighs on both sides to kind of just help lock in the flavor before we add it to our crock pot. Now you can make this recipe with just the marinated chicken and throw it directly into the crock pot, but I feel like this is like a flavor saver. Ooh, I like that. So as you can see, the chicken thighs are starting to get brown, and you don't have to cook them all the way through because it's gonna definitely cook down in the crock pot. So I'm just doing that with the remaining pieces of chicken, and now I'm putting all of my thighs into the crock pot and then adding the cut up vegetables. So I've got about a half of a red bell pepper. I've got some onions. I ended up using a whole onion. You'll see the rest of the onion coming later. And I'm using about a quarter cup to a third of some crushed red tomatoes. Got a little minced garlic going in here, followed by some barbecue sauce, as well as ketchup. And then I've got some browning. That's the brand that I usually use, but I actually made my own browning for this recipe. So if you want to see that, just let me know. Added some jerk seasoning, and then here's the rest of my onions. I had some grease from where I browned the chicken, and I didn't want it to go to waste, so I used it to saute some onions. I added a little bit of water, maybe about a quarter cup, some more thyme, a little bit of salt, and then I popped my lid on it and set my timer for about 3 hours and 30 minutes. So that's just the minimum amount of time you can use to make this recipe. I left mine in the crock pot after I turned the timer off on warm. And this is me just checking in to see what my chicken is looking like. And as you'll see here with the tongs, it is just nice and tender. It breaks apart easily. Like, look at that. Look at it. And that is really it, y'all. So I served this with some white rice and a side of vegetables, and I got amazing reviews. So let me know what you think about this recipe in the comment section below.